Okay, today I largely finished off the epoxy fiberglassing work. The ply is very thirsty and basically sucked up a lot of the epoxy. I think possibly next one I do, what I'll do is I'll epoxy the plywood first, then sand it back, and then do a second coat with the cloth material. I'm sure it's going to be watertight. It came up quite well. I've got to obviously fix this stuff here. I'm going to trim that off and just epoxy along the front there. But I mean, it's funny. This camera doesn't bring it up very well, but it looks wet. It's not. This is actually dry, and some of it is glass, kind of smooth, like the like a pro job, and some of it is not. You can see there, that's a pretty good shot to see some of it is smooth glass, like this other bit is where the ply just sucked it right up. And with a bit of leftover, I seized the opportunity to do the transom on the core flute Wonder, because I'd only ever sort of put a bit of polyurethane treatment on that, but now that's epoxied as well. Not that I really had any leaks or anything, but that'll just make it last a bit longer. So look, there's more work to do, sanding and trimming a bit of the edges, but I'm largely happy with it. And next we're going to take it down, put it in the water, see whether it floats and or leaks.